If your X.com or Twitter videos are not playing, freezing, buffering forever, or just showing a blank screen, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to troubleshoot the problem so you can get videos playing again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and software tips. First, the most common cause is an ad blocker interfering with X.com's video player. So before anything else, turn off your ad blocker for X.com or Twitter and then refresh the page. Many times, that alone is enough to restore video playback because the site can load the media properly again. If the video still is not playing, the next step is to clear your browser data. This removes old cached files and cookies that may be causing the player to glitch. In most browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Once that menu appears, make sure you select cached images and files and also cookies and other site data. Then set the time range to all time so the browser clears everything that could be causing the issue. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. When it's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to X.com to test the videos again. This fresh start often fixes playback problems right away. If you still have trouble, try signing out and signing back in, or test the site in another browser to see whether the issue is browser specific. But in most cases, turning off the ad blocker and clearing cached data is the fastest fix. So just to recap, disable your ad blocker first, then use Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to clear cached images, files, and cookies, and set the time range to all time before clicking Clear Data. Once you do that, reload X.com and check the video again. If this video solved the issue for you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.